In order to download a credential report, we must first go into the account and then into the IAM. In the IAM service, we'll look for credential report. Here, we can see that the last report created was 12 minutes ago. We can go ahead and recreate that report so we can get a fresh copy of this. I suggest that you would do this if this was a time period of longer than, let's say, 5 minutes or so, or even 12 minutes ago is not too bad. If you see anything 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, it's best to generate a new one. So to do that, all we do is come in here and run this CLI command, AWS IAM generate credential report. Now that status has been complete, we'll go back to the credential report and check this report out. So I'll refresh this again. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll go back and we'll download this credential report. And inside this credential report, we'll break it open. And as you can see, it's a CSV comma delimited file. And in here, we can see all of our users. We can see if the password is enabled. We can see when the password was last used. And we could also see the next rotation of the password itself. Also, we can see if MFA is active on the account. We can also see when the last time the access keys were used in the account as well. So this can give us a good indication of what account may have been used in the compromise itself if an account was used. So this is always a good report to check out and look at.